Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's see which stocks will be trading tomorrow and the logic behind it. The first stock is Balkrishna Industries. If you see, it has been near this 1400 level for quite some time. If you see, it's almost from August mid until now. So from almost a month, it has been trying to break this, but it is, it is not able to break this. Now if we check yesterday, it has already broke, and even day before yesterday, not day before yesterday, I think on 16th of September it has already broke, but it has come down again. And now it is at a very crucial level. So as we know from the previous days analysis also, that if this level is broke, and then the chances are that the level means 1400 level. If it is broke, then the chances are that it can give a good up move. So this will be a first stock for buy. Second is Dr. Reddy's. If you see, due to the news, it has moved almost 20% or some, nearly 22%. Yesterday it was I think more than nearly 14 to 13 to 14%. So it has already moved 22% in just 3 days or 4 days of time. So because of this, what can happen tomorrow is it can make a small candle, or else it can make a small downward candle. Small candle as in it can make a small doji or small up candle, or else it can make a small down candle. But the reason behind this is any stock cannot move like a rocket in stock market. Yes, there was a news. Yes, there is a buying happening, but it has to stop at some point of time. It has to halt at some point of time. Yes, it can move further, it can go again higher, but it has to take a break. For example, if you are doing some work, you have to take a break, and then kind of refueling yourself. So the logic behind it can make a small candle here at this place, and then or else a small candle like this, and then it can go up, or else the chances are that it can return from here. So we'll wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be ready to sell this at looking at the price action. Day before yesterday, on Friday also, I had done a selling here. So students from my students who are from the first batch, they know that I had done a selling at this point, and I had made a good amount of money at this point by just selling it. So that the similar logic still stands here. Now the next stock is Hindustan Unilever. If you see, sorry, if you see, it was at this level since a very long time. This 2100 level. Now it has broke and it has closed down. So chances are that it can continue this momentum, and then it can move a little bit further, like it can give even 20-30 points still downwards. So we'll be waiting for that in next session. I have kept LNT. Day before yesterday also, on Friday we had given LNT, but now it's looking even better. Day before yesterday it was nearby 904. Now it is at 900. So it is very crucial level. Once it breaks, it will give us good 20 points, 20-30 points. So we'll be waiting for this. Next, now, on just like I told about Balkrishna Industries, similar way it has been Mahindra and Mahindra. Similar way it has been in the same range. If you see, it has been trying to break this 50 range, 650 range, and but still it has not been able to break it. But this time it was successfully able to break it, and then it has closed above it. Chances are that it might continue this bullish momentum, and we can buy in tomorrow's session. So day before yesterday, in our analysis, what we had provided is market can give a sharp fall, and that's what happened. There was in bank nifty, if you see, we had told that nearby 2000 to 22,250, I'll be selling it with 100 points stop loss, and I'll be waiting for a big move below 22,000. And that's what happened. It almost gave us 500 points in a stretch. Okay, yes, most of them were not able to capture it, but if you had kept it in sell from morning, which I did, even most of my students did, and I had shared my analysis with them, the same analysis. What they did is they kept it, and once it fell, yes, some got target hit at 400 points, some got targeted at 350 points, but it gave a huge move. So tomorrow's expectation will be, if you see, Nifty fell just around 0.1%. I mean 0.1%, and Bank Nifty, if you see, it's more than 1%. So Bank Nifty is bearish, but Nifty is resisting it. Why Nifty is resisting it? There are chances we can say that due to Reliance and few other stocks, but majorly Reliance is not falling. Once Reliance starts falling, this can also give a good down move. So in tomorrow's session, what can we plan? Now, if you see in tomorrow's session, if we change a timestamp for 1 hour, it is almost close near 11,500 level. So my view for tomorrow will be, I will sell below 11,500 with 30 points stop loss, or 20, we'll keep it at 20 points stop loss, and then I'll leave it until it goes till around 11,400. Okay, for Nifty, this is a strategy for tomorrow. If it opens gap up, I will not touch it until it crosses 11,600 for buying at least. For selling, the view is clear. For buying, I will wait until 11,600 is crossed and closed. Okay, now let's move to Bank Nifty. Even in Bank Nifty, it has closed near very crucial level, that is 22,000. So anywhere below 22,000, I am going to sell. Anywhere about 22,250, I will execute a buy. Until then, I will not plan anything in Nifty and Bank Nifty if you have these levels are not met. So this is the analysis for tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe our channel, and also share the channel. For the levels which I have mentioned, I'll be giving in the Telegram channel. So the link of the Telegram channel is provided in the description section. Thanks a lot.